everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at what's new in Ubuntu 23.10. And to start out, if you look up here at the top left, you see that there's a new dynamic workspace indicator. It replaces the activities button. If you click that, it does exactly the same thing. But one cool thing is that you can click on that button and use your mouse wheel and scroll in between your workspaces. It's pretty neat. Another cool feature is there's a hotkey to get to the quick settings, and you just press Super plus S, and that brings up your quick settings there. So Super S brings that up. All right, and if we pull up the Nautilus file manager and try to do a search, we'll notice that it's much faster, way more responsive than before. And if we go into our settings, scroll to the bottom, About, there's a new System Details dialog. Gives you information about your motherboard, how much memory you've got, your processor, GPU. For some reason, it's not showing my disk space. Don't know why that is. The GNOME version wasn't showing up, but it is now. I do have an NVMe drive, so maybe that's the cause. Not sure. All right. Another feature is tiling. So if we bring this down at the bottom left corner and snap that, top left, snap. So this new tiling, you can do half the screen or the bottom. That is new with this version as well. And the App Center is now built on Flutter, which replaces the old GNOME-based Ubuntu store. So if you go to About, you can see that it's version 1.0. This is where you control your updates. Looks like I've got an update. I'll go ahead and do that. And lastly, we'll take a look at the version of the kernel that's installed. So we'll open terminal and do a neofetch. And we see we're on kernel 6.5. And that's going to do it for today's video. Just a quick review of what's new in Ubuntu 23.10. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Share the video if you'd like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.